Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the luxurious powerhouse that is the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GLE S63. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement, a blend of luxury, power, and cutting-edge tech. The GLE S63 pushes boundaries in every direction and demands attention on every road it touches. At the heart of this beast is a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, combined with a sophisticated plug-in hybrid system. Together, they produce a jaw-dropping 791 horsepower and 1,055 newton-meters of torque. That kind of power catapults this SUV from 0 to 60 in just about 3.4 seconds. It's not just fast for an SUV, it's fast, period. The powertrain is mated to AMG's 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, giving it superb grip and control, whether you're tearing up the highway or cruising through the city. But raw power is only part of the equation. The 2026 GLE S63 is a masterclass in refinement. The ride quality is extraordinary thanks to the AMG Ride Control Plus air suspension and active roll stabilization system. It reads the road ahead and adjusts accordingly, giving you the perfect blend of comfort and performance at all times. Whether you're tackling tight curves or just floating down the interstate, the S63 feels like it's reading your mind. Step inside, and the cabin is everything you'd expect from a flagship AMG model. Sumptuous materials, a sleek and modern design, and tech that feels straight out of the future. The seats are wrapped in fine Nappa leather, adjustable in every way imaginable, and feature massage, ventilation, and heating functions. The dual 12.3-inch displays, a one for the instrument cluster and one for the infotainment system, are crisp, responsive, and filled with features. Of course, Mercedes' latest Buck system is front and center, complete with augmented reality navigation, voice control, and endless customization. And if you're into sound, the Burmester 3D surround system delivers a concert-like audio experience, turning every drive into a private performance. Ambient lighting, it's customizable in 64 colors, turning the cabin into your own personalized lounge. It's luxury redefined. On the outside, the GLE S63 makes its presence known with an aggressive stance, a bold Pan-Americana grille, flared fenders, and quad exhaust tips that hint at the performance within. Massive wheels up to 22 inches complete the look, and subtle AMG badging reminds everyone this isn't your average SUV. Safety and driver assistance are top tier, as expected. From adaptive cruise control to active lane keeping assist and a 360-degree camera, this SUV has your back in any scenario. It's as intelligent as it is powerful. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG GLE S63 isn't just about transportation, it's about domination. It proves that you don't have to sacrifice performance for luxury or vice versa. If you're looking for an SUV that thrills like a supercar and pampers like a limo, this is it. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest automotive legends. Catch you in the next one.